Hello everyone! Stubborn stains on carpets and sofas are a real nightmare in any home. From accidental pet messes to spilled coffee, a dedicated carpet washer completely changes your cleaning routine. Today, we are counting down the top 5 best carpet washers on the market, ranging from handy portable spot cleaners to incredibly powerful upright machines. You can find all the product links and the latest updated deals in the description below. Let's get started. Starting at number 5 is the WURESE Portable Spot Cleaner, an excellent choice for those who need high suction power on a budget. The most outstanding feature of this portable machine is its 15 kilopascals of suction, an impressive spec that pulls deep-set grime straight out of thick carpet fibers. Operating on a 3-in-1 spray, scrub, and suction principle, it easily tackles dry dirt and pet accidents. To achieve optimal water extraction, we recommend holding the nozzle at a 30 to 45-degree angle against the fabric. The dual-tank system is well-designed, with a large 74-ounce clean water reservoir and a separate 30-ounce dirty water tank, allowing you to clean continuously without needing constant refills. It also features a convenient self-cleaning hose button to flush out dirt after you're done. One minor detail to keep in mind is that the power cord is a bit stiff, so you will need to take your time wrapping it neatly when storing the unit. But if you prioritize raw suction power and deep cleaning performance, this is a serious contender. At number 4 is the EUREKA Portable Carpet Cleaner, the absolute champion of compact storage and space-saving design. If your home has limited storage space, this machine is the perfect solution. It features a unique box-shaped design with a completely flat top, allowing you to easily stack other cleaning supply bins on top of it in your closet. The unit offers a 50.7-ounce clean water tank and a 27-ounce dirty water tank, paired with a generous 16-foot power cord and a 5.5-foot hose. Thanks to this extended reach, you can easily clean entire flights of stairs and upholstery without moving the base unit constantly. Its liquid extraction rate is fantastic, leaving carpets remarkably dry in a short time. When using this model, just be sure to keep the dirty water tank upright while carrying it to avoid spills if tilted too far. Moving to number 3, we have the Shark StainStriker, the ultimate solution for stubborn organic stains and persistent odors. Instead of pre-mixed chemicals that lose their cleaning potency over time, Shark uses its unique StainStriker technology. 2 specialized formulas, Deep Clean Pro and Oxy Multiplier, are stored separately and only mix at the nozzle tip when you pull the trigger. This generates a highly active oxy reaction to destroy stubborn stains and erase odors, like pet urine, at the source. Weighing under 9 pounds, it is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry around. It comes with a versatile suite of 4 specialized tools, including a crevice tool, a 3.5-inch tool, an extra-wide 7-inch XL tool that makes cleaning large carpet areas fast, and a pet mess extractor. This is a must-have for busy households. Coming in at number 2 is the Hoover SmartWash Plus, the absolute best upright carpet cleaner for whole home deep cleaning. If you have large rooms with wall-to-wall carpeting, this is the ultimate machine. It features triggerless, motion-sensing technology that completely automates the process. Simply push forward to wash and pull back to dry. The machine handles all the formula mixing and water distribution on its own. Underneath, counter-rotating flex-force power brushes dig deep into the carpet pile to lift embedded dirt that standard vacuums miss. On top of that, the heat force system blows warm air directly onto the carpet, cutting down drying time significantly, so you can walk on your floor sooner. It also includes an 8-foot hose and a specialized tool for stairs and upholstery, giving you complete cleaning coverage from floor to ceiling. Taking the top spot is the BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam, our top recommendation for the ultimate, most versatile deep cleaning power. The heavy-duty cleaning power of this machine comes from its built-in HydroSteam technology, which delivers up to 50% better cleaning on sticky food spills, candle wax, and dried-on grime. It superheats water to deliver powerful vapor that quickly breaks down grease with 3 versatile cleaning modes, including steam wash for tough messes, steam for refreshing upholstery and tile grout, or wash for enzyme-based pet stains. You can sanitize almost anything. Best of all, the steam mode allows fabrics and upholstery to dry completely in just about 30 minutes, letting you get back to using your space quickly. It features a large 64-ounce clean water tank and includes the Pet Pro Oxy formula, which permanently removes stains and protects against future spills. Combined with the 5-inch tough stain tool and the multi-surface tool for tile, grout, and even sneakers, this is the ultimate fast-drying carpet and upholstery cleaner that every home needs. So, which one is the right fit for your home? If you're on a budget and want raw suction power, go with the WURESE. If you have tight closet space, the EUREKA is your best friend. For pet accidents and complete odor elimination, the Shark StainStriker is perfect. If you want a powerful, fully automated machine for large carpeted rooms, the Hoover SmartWash Plus is the way to go. And if you want the ultimate multi-surface cleaner with powerful steam technology and super fast drying, the BISSELL HydroSteam is the absolute best choice. Check out the links in the description below for the latest deals and availability. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which machine you like best. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.